Hi guys, we're back again, and I'm here with Glen Van Ooran. Now, a lot of you would know Glen from the intermediate and advanced courses on options. Now, Glen is new to our summit stage this year. So, Glen, just tell everybody at home a little bit about yourselves, from the ones that don't know you. Why are you such an expert in options?
I guess basically it's because I've been doing it for so long. I've been trading options for 18 years now. And so I've had a lot of experience, and I always believe that nothing teaches you about something more than experience. And the other thing too, I guess, which really did help, was that I was a stockbroker for quite a few years, and I saw what happens when markets crashes, and I thought, wow, there's got to be a way to be able to protect clients from losing money, or there's got to be ways to make money when markets are falling.
Yep.
And that, of course, then got me into the options market. So I studied to become an accredited options advisor and broker, which I did. And then I moved on from there into some of the more exotic stuff like the Forex and the futures contracts, which a lot of people don't realise there are options available over those products as well. So I kind of got to know that options were universal, that you could get options over everything, and you could be a buyer of an option, you could be a writer of an option. So I just kept going, and then I started lecturing on the subject, teaching it. I ran several courses, which is where I met, of course, Aussie Rob back in 2003. He did one of my courses in Sydney. So it's just through sheer persistence. I've lost count of the number of books I've read on options trading, and courses that I've done on options trading. So it's been a real passionate journey of mine. And
That's awesome.
I don't trade Forex, I don't trade commodities, I trade options.
That's great. And now here you are today.
Yeah, all the way from Perth. I've come in, it's a great spot. It's great to be speaking here and seeing my old friends again, a lot of our clients, because I've been involved with Lifestyle Trader since 2007. It's just great to see everybody.
That's awesome. Now, today in your presentation, you went in a little bit of detail about what options are, and you gave the example of comparing with call options to putting shoes on lay-by.
On lay-by. Well, it doesn't have to be shoes, it could be anything, but I know a lot of the ladies just seem to refer to shoes. I could have done handbags.
You could have.
I could have done handbags.
We could have done perfume too.
We could have done perfume, but I think most people identify with a call option is the right to basically put a down payment on something that you want to buy, obviously. And of course, we talk about, with trading, we talk about stocks. So it's all about being able to lay by stocks.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is when you're buying an option. So you've got the right, like we did with the shoe example, to be able to walk in, you've only got a little bit of money on you, you can put down a down payment, the shoes suddenly get taken off the market and are put aside for you, and if you don't come back to get your shoes, hey, they keep your money and they keep the shoes. But if suddenly shoe prices, there was a big fire at a shoe factory and shoe prices went through the roof, you could just walk in, pay the difference, and there's your shoes.
That's an awesome example.
So lay-by, as most women can identify with, is a way of putting something aside, whether it be for Christmas or whatever, and that's the same about the option market. So that just gives a great little example of what it is to buy a call option.
Yeah. Great. Now, for everybody at home, our lifestyle members who haven't started trading options but want to start trading options, but they think it's a little hard, it's a little difficult to get your head around it, how can they get access to kind of the training that you provide and your expertise in the area?
Yeah, well, with the Lifestyle Trader program, whether or not they come in at the covered call scanner, which is our very basic entry level into not only options but also the Lifestyle Trader software. Or you can buy the whole options package, whether it's part of the bigger picture with Lifestyle Trader or it's just the options component. I'm not sure, because I'm not in sales anymore, how the program is sold, whether or not it's sold componently or just as altogether package like it originally was sold. But we have an options scanner, and what comes with the Lifestyle Trader program is, of course, all of the education which gets you up and running on the software. Now, what drew myself to the Lifestyle Trader program and a lot of other option traders that bought Lifestyle Trader is the option scanner. It's great being able to talk about buying and selling call options and put options over different stocks, but there are literally hundreds of thousands of options available to buy and to sell. Which one? Wouldn't it be great to have a scanner which would actually find and filter down those trades for you, so that you can actually then go through and find which options it is that you're going to be writing.
Right.
Because the scanner involves the writing, because stocks can go up, down or sideways. the option scanner will get 2 of those in your favour
Right.
through the fact that you're writing the options. So it gets the probability in your favour and it finds the trades for it. So that's great.
Yeah.
And the education does come with it.
Right. Now, with the education, we do have a new coaching program, Income Creator, that you're involved in.
Yes, that's
so,
correct.
if anybody's at home, how do they, like we said before, specifically get you or get your attention in the Income Creator program? Or if you can let us know what you take them through with the Income Creator program.
Yeah, well, I'm one of the specialist option coaches for Income Creator, and previously for that we were running Fast Track. I'm from the West, so all of my clients were from Western Australia. Many of them have come over here for this weekend as well. So I certainly wasn't able to help people that were in other states because with Fast Track we were doing in-house appointments with me. Income Creator, we've got things like Skype, we've got email, we've got phone. Through Income Creator, you've got the ability to actually share my knowledge, speak with me and deal with me directly through a coaching program which is 3 months with me, and then you get handed over to a live trading specialist. So you'll go to the different part of the organisation with the guys here at head office,
awesome.
which will then continue to help you. So I cover all facets of the Lifestyle Trader option scanner, which are the 5 strategies. I cover them in full. I give you my tips, the way that I use the strategies, and which is what I do. I'm a full-time options trader. So you'll get to actually work with me. You'll see how I do it before you go to a live trading specialist. So it's a pretty intense 3 months of training that we do. We start at the beginning and we work our way through to the end, but by the end of the 3 months with me, providing you've put all the work in, obviously, you'll be ready to take the next step and be trading options, hopefully successfully, just like what I do.
That's great. Now you're back with us again tomorrow.
Correct.
So we're going to talk a lot more about options tomorrow. So guys, stay with us. We've got Rob coming up a little bit later discussing one of the new programs we're setting up with Lifestyle Trader. And like I said before, we've got the gala dinner tonight. So there's a lot happening at the summit. There's still one more day to go. Glenn will be back again tomorrow. A lot of your favorites will be back again tomorrow. So stay with us, guys. See you soon.